Earwax removal is an essential part of personal hygiene that, when neglected, can lead to discomfort, hearing loss, or even infections. With a wide range of earwax removal kits available on the market, choosing the right one can be daunting. This article evaluates 5 popular earwax removal kits, spanning a price range of $5.15 to $59.99. Our methodology involved hands-on testing of each product for ease of use, effectiveness, and infection, safety, and overall value. List number 8 pieces Earpic Earwax Removal Kit. The Geengle Ear Cleansing Tool Set is a budget-friendly option priced at just $5.15. This kit includes 8 stainless steel tools designed for manual earwax removal, all housed in a portable storage box. The tools are crafted from medical-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The ergonomic design features smooth, polished surfaces to minimize the risk of irritation or scratching. A cleaning brush is included for maintaining hygiene, and the compact packaging makes it travel-friendly. While the Geengle kit excels in affordability and portability, its manual nature requires a steady hand and some familiarity with earwax removal techniques. It's highly effective for those who prefer traditional methods, but it may not be ideal for sensitive users or beginners. The tools are easy to clean and maintain, making them suitable for long-term use. However, the lack of advanced features like cameras or irrigation systems limits its appeal to users seeking modern, high-tech solutions. List number: Earwax Removal Tool. The QIZX Earwax Removal Tool offers a mid-range solution at $17.96. This irrigation-based system includes a spray bottle, basin, syringe, disposable tips, and a towel. Designed to replicate the ear cleaning methods used in medical clinics, this kit is safe for all ages and provides a gentle yet effective way to remove earwax. Its comprehensive set of tools ensures a thorough cleaning experience at home, saving users the cost and time of visiting a professional. Performance-wise, the QIZX kit is user-friendly and effective for most earwax buildup scenarios. The irrigation method is gentle on the ear canal and suitable for children and adults alike. However, the manual pumping mechanism can be tiring for some users, and the included disposable tips may require regular replacement, adding to the long-term cost. Overall, it's a solid choice for families or individuals seeking a safe, clinically inspired solution. List 3. Earwax Removal. The vast Darren Earwax Removal Tool combines traditional manual tools with modern technology, featuring a built-in 1296p HD camera. Priced at $13.99, this kit allows users to visually inspect their ear canals via a connected smartphone app. The camera is equipped with 6 LED lights and a wide-angle lens for detailed visualization. The package includes 9 ear picks, 8 daily care tools, and a rechargeable battery for extended use. This product stands out for its innovative use of technology, making earwax removal safer and more precise. The camera provides a clear view of the ear canal, reducing the risk of injury. However, the setup process, which involves downloading an app and connecting via Wi-Fi, may be cumbersome for less tech-savvy users. Additionally, the camera's reliance on a stable smartphone connection could be a limitation in some scenarios. Despite these minor drawbacks, the vast Darren tool is an excellent option for tech enthusiasts and those who value precision. List number: HeadOt Electric Earwax Removal Kit. The HeadOt Electric Earwax Removal Kit is a premium offering priced at $59.99. This advanced irrigation system features four adjustable pressure modes, an intelligent water temperature sensor, and an IPX7 waterproof design. The dual-tank system separates clean and waste water, ensuring a hygienic cleaning process. The kit includes 6 replaceable tips and is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. In terms of performance, the HeadOt kit delivers a spa-like experience with its customizable pressure settings and temperature control. The wastewater recovery system is a standout feature, making it mess-free and convenient for home use. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the reliance on electricity means it's less portable than manual options. Overall, it's an excellent choice for users seeking a high-end, hassle-free solution. List number 5. Upgraded Earwax Removal Kit, Electric Earwax Removal, Ear Cleaner Earwax Removal with Wastewater Recovery System. The Vlinky Earwax Removal Kit, priced at $49.98, offers a versatile and efficient solution for ear hygiene. It features a dual-tank wastewater recovery system, an LED display for monitoring power and settings, and 3 adjustable water pressure modes. The kit includes multiple nozzles for customized cleaning and a Type-C charging cable for quick recharging. The Vlinky Earwax Removal Kit strikes a balance between functionality and affordability. The LED display is a thoughtful addition, providing real-time information on battery life and pressure settings. However, its 3 pressure modes are slightly less versatile than the HeadOt's 4. The dual-tank design ensures cleanliness, but the overall build quality feels slightly less premium. It's a great mid to high-range option for users who want advanced features without splurging on the most expensive model.